Cabinet Minister, who is also a Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering and Chairman of the Regional Committee of West Khasi Hills District, Renington Lingdo Tongkhar, said that he would fix a date for conducting an inspection to Langpih sector next week. Speaking to reporters, Tongkhar said after the inspection they will have another round of meeting with all the stakeholders and take necessary recommendations to the state government with regards to the villages that falls under the Langpih sector. Regarding the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, GSWSS Phase 3, Tongkhar expressed confidence to complete this phase by December this year. He informed that the contractors have also agreed to complete the work before December.
We are trying to call also after the inspection. After the inspection, we will have another round of meeting for the recommendation. So that meeting will be very important, where all the members, all the stakeholders will come, and we will make a necessary recommendation to the state government with regard to the villages falls under the Langpih sector.
Minister in charge PWD Buildings